Leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, shows the way. Yes, I am talking about such a personality who has played the important role in giving our country freedom from British rule. Yes, you all recognize rightly. I am talking about our most beloved and respected Mahatma Gandhi. A very warm welcome. Good morning to everyone. This is Ikram Mansur Khan, and I am glad that I have an opportunity to speak such a worthy person, Bapu. A boy who born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small village in Gujarat, went out to become biggest and greatest patriotic of India. His efforts became inspiration for all. He is none other than Mahatma Gandhi, whose real name was Mohandas Karamchand Das Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Das Gandhi and mother Putli Bai. During his childhood, he showed his special interest towards studies. At the age of 13, he was married to 14-year-old Kasturba Kapadia. After completing matrics, he went to London for further studies. He started his career as lawyer. He went South Africa for practice and there began his social life, where he faced many problems. Many times he was insulted and tortured by the English white man because he was in black color. This incident had great impact on Gandhiji's life. When he came back to India, he did many movements such as Dandi March, which is also known as Soul Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Quit India Movement, and many more, and became many popular as Father of Nation. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, used to wear simple clothes, khadi clothes. He inspired all of us with the civil rights and the freedom movement all over the world. As everything has his end, on 13 January 1948, Gandhiji was assassinated by Hindu nationalist Nathuram Godse. This day was filled with sadness and sorrow, but let's not regret. Gandhiji is not with us. His teaching, his efforts still has an impact in today's modern era also. Gandhiji inspired all of us. His life is inspiration for all. Gandhiji was a great personality. I know my words are not enough to speak about his values and deeds, but we as future of our country can contribute ourselves by living our life with teachings of Gandhiji for the growth and freedom of our country. Let's make our nation more successful in the future. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and I wish all of you happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.